Okay, guys, this is going to be the topic for the class of today. We're going to do a workshop of conversion of units. And this is what are we going to do. I'm going to read all the exercises, and after we're going to do it together. Your objective with all these exercises is to find the value on the following conversion. How many hours have 62 weeks? How many cube feet have 78 cube inches? How many yards have 1 hectare? A Formula One car has a top speed of 378 kilometers per hour. What is going to be that speed in units of international system? And how many ounces have 1 ton? Remember that if you are going to do these exercises, you must need your calculator and the table of conversions that I left to you in classroom, okay? And thank you very much and good luck because you're going to need it.